Welcome to Ferris State University's Corporate Card Training. After completing this training, you will be able to take the necessary steps to ensure appropriate use and safeguarding of the corporate card, access and review financial policies from the Ferris State University website, and initiate a limit change, usage change, or information change as part of general cardholder maintenance. The corporate card is a Visa credit card that can be used to make various authorized and appropriate purchases. The corporate card is a company-billed, company-paid card that does not affect an individual's line of credit or credit rating. Depending on the need of the department or employee, the corporate card can be set to accommodate travel-related purchases, commodity purchases, or both. All corporate card transactions must be submitted for approval electronically on a Concur expense report. Expense reports should be submitted monthly within 30 to 45 days of the posting of a corporate card transaction. If a report is not submitted within this time period, the transaction is considered to be unassigned. The cardholder will receive automated notices regarding these unassigned transactions until the transaction has been attached to an expense report and submitted for approval. When these notifications are received, it is recommended that you prioritize the creation and submission of your expense report. Delinquent expense reporting may result in loss of card privileges for the cardholder. Appropriate purchases must have a clear business purpose and support the mission of the business unit within the university. Use of the corporate card must also follow university and department policies. Misuse or careless use of the card may lead to disciplinary action. Please refer to the card abuse guidelines on the Financial Services webpage for more information regarding these potential actions. While using the corporate card to make a transaction, you may experience a card decline. Card declines may occur as a result of an error on information entry, such as an expiration date mismatch. Other times, a decline might be a result of exceeding a spending limit or attempting to use a merchant that has been blocked. This will be covered in more detail in the cardholder maintenance section and the PaymentNet 4 demonstration. The cardholder assumes full responsibility to safeguard the card and account number to the same degree that the cardholder should safeguard his or her personal credit card. The cardholder must not allow any unauthorized individuals to use the card or the card number. A violation of this trust may result in the loss of card privileges and disciplinary action for the cardholder and unauthorized individuals. The full 16-digit card number should never be faxed or emailed, but the cardholder may fax or email the last 4 digits of the card and indicate that the vendor called for the full card number. It is allowable for the cardholder to carry the card on them. If they choose not to do this, corporate cards should be kept in a secure location where only the cardholder has access. Even when sound safeguarding measures are taken, fraudulent activity may still occur on your corporate card. JP Morgan extends fraud protection to all named corporate cards. If you detect fraudulent activity on your card, you must contact JP Morgan immediately by calling 1-800-270-7760. JP Morgan will reissue you a new account number and card, which will be sent via overnight delivery to the Financial Services Office. Fraud protection benefits do not extend to shared use or department cards. For instances of lost or stolen cards, please contact the Financial Services Department immediately during normal business hours. Outside of normal business hours, notify JP Morgan Chase by calling 1-800-270-7760. The date that the card is reported lost or stolen to the bank is when fraudulent charges become the bank's liability. Any fraudulent charges made before the card is reported stolen are the university's liability. For stolen cards, also contact the Department of Public Safety at 231-591-5000. Document lost or stolen cards in writing, copying the cardholder's supervisor and the card administrator on all communications. After a card is reported lost or stolen, a new card will promptly be issued to the cardholder by the bank. A card that is found after being reported lost must be cut in half and sent to the Financial Services Department at Pracken 252. If a cardholder suspects that their card has been used fraudulently, they should contact the Financial Services Department or JP Morgan & Chase outside of normal business hours to have the card closed. Visa will only cover fraudulent transactions that post after a card has been reported to the bank as compromised. It is imperative to monitor card usage regularly to assure prompt identification and reporting of potential fraudulent use. This concludes the corporate card introduction section of your training. Please proceed to the next module. Thank you.